Greetings to you all. Welcome to Class 7, Refresher Course Module, Worksheet 9, Adverbs. Dear children, today we are going to discuss adverb. So first of all, what is an adverb? Adverb is a verb qualify pandrathu adverb. Okay, an adverb is a word or set of words that modifies verb. Verb means action word. So giving extra meaning or extra information about verb is called as adverb. For example, I love my children very much. There are many types of adverbs. They are, அதாவது adverbலயே நிறைய varieties இருக்குது. For example, adverbs of time. Okay, that adds information of when to the verb. For example, time naka, for example, ஒரு action ஓடுது. So when did it happen? So for that is called as adverb of time. For example, I will go there tomorrow. Next one is adverbs of place, idam. So it adds information of where to the verb. Place naka, enga ஒரு action நடக்குது, எங்க நடந்தது, அதுக்கு வந்ததுனாக்கா, that is adverb of place. For example, you may sit here. Next one is adverbs of manner, that adds information of how to a verb. Okay, எப்படி பாடுனாங்க, ஒரு பாடுனாங்க, for example, அது எப்படி இருந்தது, how சொன்னாக்கா, that is called as adverbs of manner. For example, Raji sings well. Next one, adverbs of frequency, that adds information of how often to a verb. அடிக்கடி அந்த மாதிரி, சரி, frequently அந்த மாதிரி. For example, I have gone to Delhi once. You once the adverbs of frequency. Next one, adverbs of degree. It means it adds information of how much or to what degree or extent to a verb. That adverbs of degree. For example, Joseph is extremely talented. எவ்வளோ வழியா, extremely அந்த மாதிரி அந்த the degree is சொல்றது adverb of. I'll read you, fine children, one passage. Okay. You can find out the adverbs. Fine. All right. Yesterday, I helped my mother to cook dinner. We carefully cut the vegetables and slowly put them into the boiling water in the pot. Then I eagerly waited for my next job, which was sprinkling spices into the soup gently. But I accidentally poured too much cumin. I told my mistakes to my mom quietly, and she told me sweetly. As a child, she made the same mistake. Okay, so in the sentence or in the story which are all adverb, that verb ku extra meaning kudukudho, that and all you can underline. Here the adverbs are yesterday. So yesterday is adverbs of time. Carefully, slowly, eagerly, gently, accidentally, quietly, sweetly. So these are all adverbs. Okay. Okay, now children, here there is a column, adjectives and adverb. So you should not get confused with adjective and adverb. Adjective naka noun ku extra meaning kudukuradhu. Adverb naka verb ku meaning kudukuradhu. So I'll read a few words. You can carefully put it in the right boxes. The words are angry, naturally, happily, good, quickly, large, painful, safe, gently, carefully, kind, honestly. Okay, so these are the words. And ஒரு ஷார்ட்டாக ஒன்று சொல்லி கொடுக்கணும்னா எல்வை வச்சுட்டானாக்கா that is definitely adverb தான். Okay, quickly, slowly, like that. I'll just tell you. அண்ட் அட்ஜெக்டிவ்ஸில் வரும்போது ஆங்க்ரி, அதாவது அட்ஜெக்டிவ்னாக்கா நவுனை குவாலிஃபை பண்ணுது, ஒரு பெயர் சொல்லுக்கு எக்ஸ்ட்ரா மீனிங் கொடுக்கறது அட்ஜெக்டிவ், ஒரு செயல் ஆர் வேர்புக்கு எக்ஸ்ட்ரா மீனிங் கொடுக்கறது அட்வர்ப். ஸோ ஆங்க்ரி, குட், லார்ஜ், பெயின்ஃபுல், சேஃப், kind, all these words are adjectives. And naturally, happily, quickly, gently, carefully, honestly, okay, all these words are, what is that, adverbs. Okay, fine children. So moving on to the next one, I'll read a few words, and using that words you have to fill in the blanks. The words are tightly, swiftly, fiercely, curiously, violently, suddenly. Shall I start? Okay. I was walking through the forest dash. Okay, இதில் எந்த word suit ஆகுது? I was walking through the forest curiously. The wind was blowing dash. Wind காற்றடிக்குதாமா violently. The trees were shaking dash. The trees were shaking fiercely. I got chilled and pulled my jacket dash around me. So tightly around me. Dash, I heard a scream behind me. Suddenly, I heard a scream behind me. All I could see were shadows. Dash, I left the forest with fear. Swiftly, I left the forest with fear. Fine, children. So I hope all of you understood. Moving on to assessment part. Identify the adverbs in the following. So adverbs you have to find out. I'll read the sentence. A. Remember the nicest thing someone has ever done for you. Okay, in the sentence, which one is adverb? Okay, doing வந்து ஒரு verb, சரியா? So ever is the adverb. Second one, my dad permits me to climb trees but not too high. So அப்பா மரம் ஏற விடுவாங்க but not too high. So too is the adverb. C. The smart students passed the test easily. So passing is the verb. Pass எப்படி pass பண்றாங்க? Easily. So easy is the adverb. D. The price of electricity became outrageously high during the summer. Okay. So here which one is adverb? Outrageously. E. My grandpa greeted us warmly when we arrived. So warmly is the adverb. Fine, children. Moving on to the next one. Form adverbs from adjectives. சரி, இப்போ adjectiveல இருந்து adverb கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். வேற ஒன்றும் இல்லை, எல்வை போட்டால் போதும். ஓகே, சிம்பிளா. ஓகே, ரெடி. ஸோ ரெடிக்கு adverb என்ன? ரெடிலி. ஃபாஸ்ட்டுக்கு adverb என்ன? ஆக்சுவலி ஷுட் நாட் டெல் ஃபாஸ்ட்லி. ஃபாஸ்ட்னாக்கா குவிக்லி. ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் எனர்ஜெட்டிக், எனர்ஜெட்டிக்கலி. Happy, happily. Sad, sadly. I hope you understood, right? Okay, children. Moving on to third question. Fill in the blanks with suitable adverbs. Correct? Idhiliyum same thing only. Ly podunga, matter over. A. It is raining dash. So the given word is heavy. Heavy ku enna kudukano? Heavily potta pochu. Okay? So it is raining heavily. B. She dash swallowed a coin. So the given word is accident. So write accidentally. C. These animals migrate dash in search of food. So given word is annual. So what you can write? Annually. These animals migrate annually in search of food. Fourth one, I dash want to remember the incident. So here, never leela varkudadu. So I never want to remember the incident. E. Sheila left the school dash. Here it is written early. So early. Sheila left the school early. Fine, children. Okay, moving on to fourth question. Add suitable adverb to complete each sentence. Okay. All right. So here you have written some questions. அதுக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி எழுதினீங்கன்னா ஈஸியா வந்துரும். A. Vidya ate the chocolates dash. அப்போ எப்படியாக்கும் eat பண்றா? How did she eat the chocolates? Maybe she ate softly or gently. Any word will suit. Vidya ate the chocolates gently or Vidya ate the chocolate softly. Okay. B. We are going to the restaurant dash. So when are you going to the restaurant? So you can write anything. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, or like that. So the answer will be we are going to the restaurant tomorrow or day after tomorrow, like that. C. Our friends asked us to sit dash. So where did your friends ask you to sit? Our friends asked us to sit near the park. Okay, fine, children. So near the park, it doesn't mean near the park. You can write any other word. D. I go to museum dash. So you can use this word. How often? How often do you go to museum? Museum eppa povinga? I go to museum frequently. Illa rarely, like that. E. We got our test results dash. So when did you get your test result? So we got our test result yesterday or day before yesterday or today, like that. Okay, children. Fifth one, frame sentences using the following adverbs. So inga adverbs irukkudu, you have to frame sentences. First one is violently. You can write any one word. The wind was blowing violently. Okay, now often. My friend visits me often. Often adikadi. Daily. Daily I play cricket, or daily I pray to God. D. Sometimes. Sometimes I eat non-vegetarian, or sometimes I go to market. E. Beautifully. My friend draws picture beautifully. My friend dances excellently. Adakaga beautifully which varamari you can write any one sentence. I hope all of you understood. Do not copy the answers just like that. Don't miss to watch other lesson explanation videos, book back exercise, guided reading, refresher course module, bridge course and other things. Thank you, children.